Hello everyone, today we are going to Middle Quarry. It's 6 p.m. It's gonna be dark anytime soon, so welcome to Baguio City, Philippines. We will go there, Camp Allen, my mama's house. Hello everyone, welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. We will go to Middle Quarry. It's getting dark, so we're gonna drive going there. That's the 6 o'clock siren from Baguio City Hall. Look at these flowers. Okay, so I'm gonna start the car. It's dark now. We're just gonna get my mama cooked picadillo. We're just gonna go get it in Middle Quarry. This is my wife's car. Okay, we're just gonna open the gate. Hello, Balog. Okay, we are already here in Middle Quarry. We're just gonna go buy something in the store. It's Middle Quarry. We're gonna go here. Food for cats. Okay, this is a very old painting. It was a painting from my great-great-grandfather. Okay, let's check out our YouTube. This is the gift that YouTube gave me. So, it's still here. Ooh. What a play. Let's put off the light. Poop.
Magaganda yung Sige po, tita, thanks po. Uy, mama, mahulog ka there. Sige po, tita, thanks po.
Oh, wala na kayong naiwan.
Wala na, ma. Thanks, ma. We are Jabi. Okay, we are still waiting for my wife to buy Roast Jabi. It's traffic, so we didn't use the drive-through, so we're just here parking. It's good we have this. We got this parking. So we will be reheating this special, oh so special daddy meal.